everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a massive move by one of the world's biggest companies. Amazon is making headlines by seeking to raise a staggering $12 billion through a debt offering. Now, what's really interesting is that this is their first big deal of this kind in US dollars in about 3 years. So, why now? And what's the money for? The short answer is artificial intelligence. That's right. Amazon is joining the industry-wide race to build out the next generation of AI infrastructure. We're talking about a massive investment in the hardware and software needed to power everything from advanced cloud computing services to new consumer-facing AI features. Think about the incredible amount of computing power that services like ChatGPT or Midjourney require. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is already a dominant player in the cloud space. And this move shows they're doubling down to stay ahead of competitors like Microsoft and Google, who are also pouring billions into their own AI capabilities. So, how are they raising this money? Amazon is selling investment-grade bonds in as many as 6 different parts. For those of you who might not be familiar with corporate bonds, it's essentially a way for a company to borrow money from investors. The company pays interest back to these investors over a set period and then returns the original amount at the end. It's a common strategy for large, stable companies like Amazon to fund major projects without diluting their stock. According to people with knowledge of the matter, the deal includes various bond lengths, with the longest being a 40-year bond. Initial discussions suggest that this 40-year bond will offer a premium of about 1.15 percentage points above U.S. Treasuries. This premium is the extra interest investors get for taking on the slightly higher risk of a corporate bond compared to a government bond, which is considered one of the safest investments in the world. A 1.15 percentage point premium is quite attractive, signaling that there is strong investor confidence in Amazon's long-term financial health and their ability to pay back their debts. It essentially means the market believes in Amazon's AI strategy. What does this mean for the tech world and for us as consumers? First, it signals an acceleration of the AI arms race. With Amazon committing such a huge sum, you can bet their rivals will feel the pressure to keep pace. This competition is likely to drive even faster innovation in AI technology. We could see more powerful AI models, more sophisticated cloud services, and AI integrated into even more of the products and services we use every day, from online shopping recommendations to how our streaming services work. For Amazon specifically, this capital injection will likely go straight into expanding AI. This means more data centers, more specialized AI chips, and more research and development. It's a strategic play to not only support their own internal AI needs, like for their e-commerce platform and Alexa, but also to capture the booming market of other companies needing powerful infrastructure to build their own AI applications. EVOs is the engine room for a huge part of the internet, and by strengthening it with cutting-edge AI tech, Amazon is positioning itself to be the landlord for the next era of digital innovation. This move also reflects a broader economic trend. After a period of higher interest rates, large corporations are starting to see opportunities to lock in funding for their long-term growth projects. Amazon's decision to re-enter the US dollar debt market now is a calculated one, likely based on favorable market conditions and a clear, urgent vision for their future. They aren't just building for next year, they're building for the next decade and beyond. In summary, Amazon's $12 billion bond sale is more than just a financial transaction. It's a massive bet on the future of artificial intelligence. It's a strategic move to fortify their position as a global tech leader and to power the next wave of innovation across countless industries. We'll be watching closely to see how this capital gets deployed and what amazing new technologies emerge from it. What do you think about this move? Is this the right strategy for Amazon? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, And if you found this breakdown helpful, ain't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of tech and finance. See you in the next one.